What I was doing forward is what the leader does, what the gentleman does. What I was doing backward is what the follower, the lady, does. To start, let's use this position. We take each other's shoulders, and the way we are going to circulate to the dance floor on this space that you have is always counterclockwise direction. Look, I will walk counterclockwise direction. Going forward for me, counterclockwise direction. Going backward for Mimi, counterclockwise direction. Same sequence we work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
For the followers that are practicing solo, you can always practice by making sure you are keeping your axis forward towards your imaginary partner for the moment.